Okay, right.
Thought I'd take you boys down here, have a look around at some of the tracks. The beach down there is legit, 100%, 5-star. I don't know, 2 thumbs up, 10 out of 10.
We put on really heavy music, but Dean can just cut to me singing you still ball on my head. Now it's going in team blue, red.
Keen for dinner tonight though.
Is it us first? Who's starting first?
I honestly think it should be us first, because that way we might have some leftovers for tomorrow night with the lads.
Dude, it actually suits you, bro.
It's bad,
Heading into Borenup Beach on Bob's track. Should only be about 20 minutes in, give or take, depending on how busy it can be. Doesn't look like there's many people on this time of night, which is good. When we get there, there'll be another little air down point, which we won't need to worry about because we've already aired down properly. But after that, we'll be able to go onto the beach. We'll head right. We can go all the way to the top, which has got a nice little cove area. We can wet the line and watch the sunset, I reckon. It's probably perfect time to watch the sunset, so it should be a good day.
Well, according to my calculations, we have just under an hour, maybe 56 minutes until sunset.
Yep.
So we're right on time.
Lovely.
Yeah, you guys getting me flexing all over these mountainous rocks or what?
Yeah.
Yeah, not many people out here
So
at all.
you've got a couple of choices, right? You can go up high or down low. What do you reckon?
Take the high line, I reckon.
Ooh, there's quite a few people
Bit
here.
soft stuff.
Yeah. Actually, that's always a good bit of etiquette there too. Wherever you can, take the high line. So you, wherever you can, take the high line. So you're not getting in people's setups, I suppose, and you're not like driving past them and all that type of jazz. I reckon that's the best way to go about it, especially with other people with little kids. Just trying to avoid that. And we are at Borenup Beach, and yeah, it's beautiful. We're just before sunset. Idea is Mitch is out there having a fish. I thought I'd join him.
Wait, give me the kiss
Wait, just hold it up to the camera like that.
and cut. What'd you catch, lad?
Skippy. Hey, how good? Is that bigger than yours, Mitch?
Wait, Mitch hasn't caught one yet.
How good?
Yeah, hold on. Dude, that's huge. Yeah.
You outfished John and Blake, to be fair. Yeah.
Well, I didn't actually catch a fish. I didn't actually catch a fish.
This is considered the worst job of all time. Setting up a stretcher requires effort that an Olympian would put in a week. Unders, baby. No idea how well this is going to pump up. That'll be f***ing mean if it works. It'll be so good. I haven't pulled this out of the box since I went camping about 2 years ago. It's currently melted to the box.
So we don't, ready, steady, cook. We don't need to recap our ingredients, do we?
We've got the pick of the bunch
4 meats
and a bread.
and bread.
We're going to make a chili mince pot.
Chilies, 4 beans, crushed tomatoes.
Crushed tomatoes as well.
Yeah,
Make it like a
bit of-
nice little,
bit of garnish.
like a mince dip, a man dip.
Man did.
A man dip, if you were. Well, then we got 2 sausages, right? So
Yeah, we
one
pulled out
sausage.
sausages twice. I actually reckon, so this is where we're going to stitch them up. They're thinking, right, like beef sausages, pork sausages, like chipolatas, right? Tell us about that, Rich.
All right.
Tell us
so
what we have here.
That's a Della Franca sausage. Family, Italian, up in the hills, and it's delicious.
It really is. No Pinjarra Coles beef sausages here, mate.
Look like we
Not
could
the
get
least
it
we could.
anyway.
We have a South African Boerewors. Boerewors, is that how you pronounce it?
Boerewors.
That is what it is.
Yeah.
Nice old sausage there. While the other boys were getting kicked out of Coles, we were buying this from the reject shop. We lost the last cooking challenge on the basis of presentation, didn't we?
Yeah, and time frame,
And time
and,
frame,
not,
yeah.
and not using our own
There
utensils.
were one or two reasons, but presentation was one of them. Oh, the bacon. The bacon, what are we doing with the bacon?
So-
that's our little twist on the...
Yeah, it's on the garlic bread,
Yeah,
right?
it is.
So we had hot dog rolls, olive oil, bit of garlic, and we'll make some garlic bread, put some cheese on, and some bacon, and there'll be
Cheesy bacon garlic bread.
cheesy bacon garlic bread. You're going to go on the Boerewurst. I'm going to try and do the old mince,
Ready, steady, cook.
and we'll ready, steady, cook it. We're doing this a bit ad hoc, but we're getting there. Try not to start a fire again. Old El Paso taco spice mix.
5 buns, 2 pieces
5
each.
whole buns, yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty full. Bad back. Probably not the easiest thing to do here. Look,
It's not
it's
pretty-
doing the job.
It's not, it's not.
Well, presentation's never our forte.
Yeah, but we got a lazy Susan. You working on presentation over there, Rich?
Trying.
I would be surprised if they did that.
With avocado and avocado and onion.
What do they buy a mac and cheese? I think this looks better than their last one as
Oh, it looks better than the KFC.
well. I reckon.
Oh.
Hey! Can you do the whole Salt Bay, like off the elbow? Hope you're missing all of this stuff.
All right, boys, grubs up.
KFC.
No KFC.
Getting a 1 kilo meat board, lads.
It's meat on meat on meat.
This is a little bit flash.
So if this is 1 serving, you've used all our main ingredients. Bread, cheese. It's what, cheesy garlic bread,
And bacon.
big sausage.
Big sausage.
So what'd you add? Corn chips.
Pretty much, yeah. Corn chips and cheese
Corn chips and cheese.
and parsley.
Not bad, lads.
Pretty green stuff. As the garnish on the chopping board.
You see it, like,
Had to go all out.
probably doesn't taste that good. That's why it looks so good.
They're not beating that with avocado and onion.
You're not safe.
Not in the bag yet.
You're not safe yet, no.
This is good, but
I reckon it's good though. I'm surprised. A 1 kilo meatball sort of spec, but you haven't got over the line. I don't reckon.
Poor old cameraman's just salivating here.
Yeah. You hungry, Con, or what?
Legit. Tastes good.
You're in the way of the meal. It's a bit soggy, lads. What's going on here?
Some would say it's delicious. Happy?
It's good. There's vegetables.
Oh, the parsley, the green stuff. How's a bowl?
it is going to be interesting to see how I'm going to use to cook all our ingredients by myself.
Dude, come on, man.
There's no doubt Mitch carries Team Red.
No chance. Okay, if Mitch carries all the cooking, all the ideas,
Ideas, man.
did I not come up with what we're cooking?
No.
Well, yeah, but did I not get there?
Anyway, we'll talk about that tomorrow.
Well,
Right now, we should just focus on
It's
what's
good
what's
context.
Yeah, it's good. Get in there.
Yeah, I'm going to say, I'm going to grab a drink as well.